Good afternoon. I am doing the course of machine learning through project experience in the Skyfi. We like the exposure of the delivery process, how they have done with the things. Uh, so we are required to do a project in the as a end of the course end product. So we are doing this. And we have understood there are many topics that have discussed in the course, and we like the unclustering process, and that we have taken a regression part as a small case study for us to explore how we have learned and to what extent we have learned. So I have taken a salary data sample where I have collected the things of my data set, where I am having the years of experience and his salary is being stored. So for that, we are doing the analysis. So how can I predict the salary for my future experience for 10 years, 15 years, and all? For that, Vijay Saraswati and R Vasavi are doing. Combined, we have done this. I have taken a random value, and she has done the analysis part. So how we have loaded is we have loaded it from my drive, and then I have uploaded the CSV file, and that's what we have stored. And of course, the runtime it will be getting thing, but this for now for our program to run. And I feel the Colab environment is a good one to execute or have a clear interpretation of the results. For machine learning, Python is a good one which gives a very good results and a good look and feel for us to do. So I have taken the data set, I have taken some two variables x and y, and then I have split the data set of my salary employees into training and testing part. For training, I have done this test size, I have taken zero point 0.3, even you can have 32.67 and all. Random state can be 42 or 0. Next, I have loaded the regression model. Regression is good enough in order to do the prediction for the numerical conclusion. This is one of the good type of unsupervised. So, and then for that I have called the linear regression function for my SK linear model. Then I have fit the model by training and the test for x train and y train. These are the four variables for me that will help me to do the testing and the training part of my CSV file. This is a CSV file. So next I have called the data variable called as regressor for this function. Next I have fit the model. In the next we have done so till now we have load the data and split it. Next we have fit the linear regression. Next I have make the prediction by calling this function, and whenever we do the prediction we do it with the x test. Next we have done the plot as a matplotlib. Then we have done the scattering. We have used a scatter plot for the training and the testing part. We have done the training part for the scatter for the training. We have done the scatter plot graph for the training as well as for the testing purpose. For the training, we have used the labels called as experience as well as a salary. Similarly, I have done for the testing part. For testing, I have taken the line as my blue, and for here I have taken the same things. Just I have labeled it separately. For the test, I have added the test set, and for doing the experience, I have done. So this is how the lab will run at the runtime. Even I can change it to some other color, blue or whatever. Just see, this is what I have got initially. I can make it or something colors. Now my points will become blue. This is what my points actually I have kept by default as my red, but I have changed the color into blue. So that's what I have got. But again, if I make to some other color, for that I'll be getting the green data points. This is what my green data points are there, and this is my regression line. So around some 4 employees are there with 2 years, from 10 around with 4, next some 4 with 6 years, and so on. This is the plot I have got for my training. Similarly, I have done the obtain the plot for the testing purpose, and for salary I have got means so likewise we can do the prediction process. Even you can also do the apply the prediction for my COVID analysis and all. So I have did the salary of my 15 years as something. For 8.5 it is something around 10,000. Similarly, if I change my value here, it will be give my model will give some good enough. Even though my Excel is not having any 8.5, see my Excel is not having any 8.5, but still it was able to predict something around value between 11 and the 10. So if I give some 9.5 or 9, just the 9 itself, because I don't have any 9 years, so now we'll see that my salary will be change. So if you see the Excel, something around the 9%, it is low, it is giving the accuracy. So regression is good enough when we are doing this numerical predictions. So I felt thank you for the Skyfi coordinators who have made us a good and happy learning. Thank you.